Hey, good morning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Tracy.
This morning we're out walking the Wai Koa Plantation trail.
Come on along.
Hey, the great thing about this trail is it's pretty nice and flat. You can bring your dog, has to be on a leash, but it's suitable for anybody of any age. So we're gonna try to get to the waterfall today, and there's a rope swing above it, so come on along.
Hey, just a heads up tip about this trail. It's adjacent to the Kauai Dog Park. Technically, it's private property with no trespassing, but there's a QR code on the fence. If you scan it and fill in your information, you can legally walk on the trail. So this part of the path says we're walking through an enchanted forest, which is just about true for every forest on Kauai. They're so beautiful. And then we are going to end up at the Stone Dam. Here we are at the enchanted forest. Just beautiful. Hey, just another quick tip. If you walk through the enchanted forest on the way there, it will add about a half mile, but you can take a shortcut and miss it on the way back. So I wonder if this is still an operating plantation. We'll have to find out. Chickens everywhere. A beautiful bird. Here we go, downhill. Almost to the dam. Hey, another tip, don't forget water. We haven't had any problems with mosquitoes or bugs today, but I can see after a rain, you might want to bring some bug spray. Such a beautiful place. What a place. What a place to jump in the water. Nice.
Okay, people, we made it to the falls. It was a beautiful walk. There was one little downhill before you get to the falls. There's beautiful ponds. We saw a koi. We saw a turtle at the base of the falls, and the walk was well worth it. So.
So here's another great tip. When you get to the stone dam, look to the right and go up the stairs. There's a statue of Buddha and a bamboo forest. Wow. Another stunning place on Kauai. So here we are back at the dog park, the beginning of the Wai Koa Plantation hike out to the Stone Dam. Thanks for joining us. Aloha!